YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So I hope all y'all having a great day. We know one of the big things going on in the sneaker community today is that those Mellow 13s got canceled. So, you know, that's one thing that's been going around, everybody talking about that. If this y'all first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel, as well as give your boy a thumbs up. And let your boy DaRetroWizKid know what y'all rocking with your boy, and drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the Kicksmini pickups. And this unboxing today is being brought to y'all by none other than my big bro, B-Boy Lost Spin. Let's get straight into this unboxing. You dig? All right, y'all. So let's get into what we got inside the box, y'all. So first things first, like last time from the previous video, we got the cases, the holding cases for the Kicksmini Legos. So when they put the Lego figures together, then you have, you know, you can put your Legos inside of this. So let's see which ones we got here. So we got the Carmine 6s that bro picked up. And fuego! Them Carmine 6s are nasty, dog. Oh me. Alright, bro. Bro picked up a lot of stuff this time. The off-white 10 Oregon bag. That thing is extra crispy and fresh. That's fresh right there, man. I mess with that thing. That thing's extra nice. I remember back in the day, man, everybody used to wear these bags in high school and middle school and stuff like that. Then, of course, just moving in, you got some extra off-white tags. I guess bro wanted some extra off-white tags, so bro ordered some extra off-white tags to go with that, as well as shoelaces. Hey, that's dope, man. That's dope how they got the packaging like this. Now moving into a Kicksmini. Here we go. We got the Air Jordan Mini Retro in this box. Woo! Hey, we gonna have to do it on this one, y'all. Oh yeah! Smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid, y'all. We got the Kicksmini. Looks to be a necklace, y'all. This thing is dope, boy. I know bro gonna rock the mess out of this. This is a little tangled up. Let's go ahead and get that thing untangled so y'all can see what the thing looking like. And it is the Complex Con Top 3. There it is right there. Complex Con Top 3 necklace thing. Really dope. Really dope pickup. That's a really dope pickup. I didn't even see that on the site, man. Honestly, I didn't even see that on the site. But that's dope. And of course, you know, came in its own Kicksmini official, you know, box. And last but not least, and the dope of them all, y'all already know I wish it was a royal, but it's the next best thing. You got the Bread One Royal. Said the Bread One Royal. You got the Bread One keychain thing, man. It is soft, man. Hey, they need to go back and ask them, hey, where y'all getting it? What kind of leather quality is this on these? Are these shattered backboards? No, I'm just playing. But very dope pickups, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll leave a link in the description below for Kicksmini. I've left it on there before on other videos that I've done for them. But y'all go ahead and check them out. Like I said, follow my bro, B-Boy Lost Spin, right here on Instagram. Crazy shoe collection. He's one of the people that's gonna be inside the Sneaker Chop Up sneaker collection videos. But this was all stuff that he said that I could share with you all on the channel. So I just want to share this with y'all today. Hope all y'all having a great day. We on that grind to 2K, you dig? So appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of you all. Without y'all's support and y'all's love, none of this would be happening. But appreciate all the love and support. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. You did!